Hau nicokereirie o ringi gicigo-ini gia Kerio Valley county-ini ya Elgeyo Marakwet imaramari cia uici wa mahiu igithio na mbere guthamaka. Jumatatu ya kiumia giki andu atatu ni mararathirwo kuria oho ng'ombe makiria ma 400 ciairwo iria nginya umuthi itari ciahithukio. Ni kumana na Tharikira ino riu Governor Wesley Rotich oritie thirikari yanire uici wa mahiu ta ugwati wa bururi.
We have requested the president to declare it a national disaster, and secondly, I am looking for Kaluma and Opio Wandai, and my MPs are also on the same mission. We want to unite and have the bill that they have suggested. There is a bill that they want to put in parliament. We have agreed with even our MPs from Elgeyo Marakwet and the region, from Turkana, Samburu, all of us, and Baringo. We have said we want to make cattle rustling declared and categorized as terrorism, so that we have anti-terror police running this area and ensuring that all criminals are either extinguished, killed, arrested, so that if it is categorized as terrorism, because already it's terrorism, you kill and maim at will, you use sophisticated weapons, it has to be declared as terrorism.
Riu waga gicigo-ini giki o ringi nuthariritie mihango yao muthenya mashukuru na biashara ni hinge.
Nataka niambie rais na niambie waziri Kindiki, leta ile nguvu yote ya serikali, hao watu wajue serikali iko na nguvu. Wakijua serikali iko na nguvu, watalia siku mbili, wawache hiyo kazi na sisi wote tuishi. Sisi tuko na uwezo ya kuishi na majirani wetu.
Akioya mwihitwa minister wa ugiteri wa thiini Kithure Kindiki ni ahitire kubuthura imaramari ici mamu-ini ciacio ende itwikite o ciraniro.
We cannot have a country where bandits are roaming, bandits are terrorizing people, killing people, nothing happens.
Mimi nashangaa serikali ya Ruto wametuma askari nje kama huko Kongo, karibu askari 900, na sisi tunahangaika hapa. Tunataka chesi. Hii mambo ya kichaka ya riba Kerio, polisi wesi.
Ciumia igere hituku President William Ruto ni aanire kuhukia umaramari uyu rugongo rwa Rift Valley, no thutha ucio Akenya icigo-ini ici no maithori. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.